Hello everyone, summer is here, so it's time to make some ice cream. So today I'm gonna show you, not usual, but super tasty olive oil ice cream. So let's do it. You will need sugar, milk, cream, egg yolks, olive oil, glucose, lemon and salt. Full measurements will be in the description down below. And you start with mixing cream, milk, lemon zest, salt and glucose inside a pot and bring it to the boil. In meantime, you mix egg yolks and sugar in the bowl, and when the cream is boiling, you can pour it slowly on top of the eggs. Then you can transfer it back into the pot. I'm using strainer, so I get rid of all the zest, and you have to cook it until you reach around 82 degrees Celsius. After that, you strain it into the mixing bowl. I'm using strainer again, because I want to make sure there are no lumps of the eggs at all. And you want to slowly incorporate olive oil in. I'm using hand blender for the best result. At the end, put a cling film on the top, and for the best consistency, you have to leave the mix inside the fridge overnight. Next day you can transfer it into the ice cream machine and wait. You can of course use just classic freezer, but you never get that smooth professional consistency. And amazing! Olive oil ice cream is done. For the plating, I will do nice quenelle and little dot of the olive oil on the top. And I have to remember that there is one guy who loves everything creamy, my food inspector. So let's give him the taste. And looks like he loves it. And if you want to learn another cool ice cream, check out this video and learn how you can make my delicious burnt butter ice cream at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.